Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to install Valorant on laptop. To start, go to the link we leave you in the video description. Click on Play Free. You will need to log in to be able to access the download. When you log in, click on Play Free again and then click on Download. Wait for the file to download. After that, click on the downloaded file and click Run. Now in the pop-up window, click Yes. In the wizard that opens, click on Install. Wait for Valorant to download. During this process, you must authorize the process again by clicking Yes. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic Channel. When finished, click Allow so Valorant has access to the networks. On the app, click on Install. Now you can select the path and settings to installation. Pulse on Install again to start this process. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.